Do you ever feel like money just slips through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to hold on? What if I told you the real problem isn't your budget, your job, or even your spending habits, but something much deeper, something hidden within you? Money. It's often seen as a source of stress, a measure of success, or even a tool of control. But what if I told you money isn't inherently good or bad? In fact, money is energy, an exchange medium that reflects the vibration of your inner self. It mirrors the stories you tell yourself about your worth, your possibilities, and your limitations. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of money, not as an object to chase, but as a force to align with. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to transform your relationship with money and start attracting abundance in ways you've never imagined. Let's begin with a harsh truth. Scarcity isn't about the numbers in your bank account. It's a mindset. Imagine you're standing in a desert, desperately digging for water. You're convinced there's none left, so every action you take only reinforces that belief. Scarcity is like that. It tells you there's not enough, and so your world shrinks to match that story. But what if you shifted your perspective? What if, instead of digging in desperation, you looked up to see the clouds gathering? The first step to abundance is recognizing that your focus shapes your reality. When you focus on lack, you call more of it into your life. But when you pivot to gratitude, even for the smallest blessings, you open the door for more to flow in. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good exercise, it's a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Exercise 1. The gratitude shift tonight. Take 5 minutes before bed. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. But don't just list them. Feel the gratitude. Let it ripple through your body. Gratitude rewires your energy, amplifying the flow of abundance. Now let's dive deeper. Imagine planting seeds in a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds, and your beliefs are the soil. If the soil is poisoned with doubts like, I'm not deserving, or money is hard to come by, nothing will grow. To cultivate abundance, you must tend to this mental garden. Replace the weeds, those limiting beliefs, with affirmations of wealth and possibility. Say them out loud. Money flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of infinite abundance. Repeat them daily. These aren't just words. They're vibrations. And over time, they become the foundation of your financial reality. Here's a secret: money doesn't respond to hope, it responds to expectation. Picture this: you're at a restaurant, and you order your favorite dish. You don't sit there wondering if it will arrive. You know it's coming. That's how you must approach wealth. When you imagine financial ease, feel the joy, the relief, as though it's already yours. This isn't make-believe, it's aligning your energy with your desired reality. And here's the kicker. When you sustain this feeling with conviction, the outer world must conform. It's the law of energy. The inner state always precedes the external manifestation. The visualization ritual exercise. Every morning, close your eyes and picture your abundant life. Feel the texture of your financial freedom. Imagine the relief of paying your bills without a second thought, the joy of giving freely, the excitement of pursuing your dreams without hesitation. This isn't just daydreaming. It's programming your subconscious to seek and create opportunities aligned with this vision. Let's talk about flow. Money is like breathing. You can't inhale without exhaling. Holding on to money out of fear blocks its natural circulation. The more freely you give, whether to a cause, a friend, or yourself, the more you affirm abundance and keep the cycle moving. Generosity isn't about emptying your wallet. It's about giving from a place of joy and faith. Remember, every time you give, you're telling the universe, I trust in the endless flow of resources. Finally, let's address an often overlooked aspect: space. Imagine trying to fit new furniture into a cluttered room. It's impossible. The same goes for your financial reality. Declutter your mind, your beliefs, and even your physical environment of anything that doesn't serve your new abundant mindset. Clear out limiting ideas like, rich people are greedy, or I have to struggle for money. Make room for abundance to flow freely. Let me leave you with this thought. Imagine your financial journey as a river. The current is always flowing, but sometimes we build dams. Fear, doubt, scarcity. The good news: you have the power to remove those barriers. By aligning your energy with abundance, you don't just chase wealth, you become it. So, take the first step today. Shift your focus, nurture your beliefs, and let gratitude be your compass. Because abundance isn't something you find, it's something you embody. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to share one action you'll take today to align with abundance in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformative content. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.